Hey, what's up everyone? It is Thais here. This is my fall inspired wash day routine for my 4C natural hair. Today I am starting by clarifying my hair with the Mazani Moisture Fusion Clarifying Shampoo to lift all of the dirt and buildup that I have for the month. This allows my hair to absorb moisture properly, and it allows my hair to become lightweight and free of heavy gunk and dirt. Next, I am deep conditioning with the Curls Dynasty Pumpkin Mint treatment. This treatment is a perfect balance of moisture and strength. I love the scent and the texture of it. It just sinks into my hair upon contact with it. I am just applying that deep conditioner all over, and then I put on a capacitor cap for further penetration. Since it is the fall, this is the perfect time for me to whip out my Donna's Recipe sweet potato pie product. So I'm starting with the leave-in conditioner, applying that to the ends of my hair all the way as close to the roots as possible without letting it get to the scalp. Then I seal in with the scalp oil. So it does start off solid, but once you rub it in between your hand, it melts down into an oil-based product. It is already late and I won't be styling my hair tonight. I want to get to bed as quickly as possible, so I'm just going ahead and detangling my hair in sections, and then I go ahead and braid my hair in 2 sections going straight back so that my hair can air dry overnight without unnecessary breakage, and also giving it a nice stretch so that I can style it the very next morning. So this sums up my complete wash day routine. Thank you all so much for watching. Feel free to give this video a rating, and don't forget to grab your free hair care guide where you can learn how to take care of your natural hair as a beginner.